Oh, bitch, you got me fucked up. Bitch, I ain't no shit. Bitch. Bagel, no. Bagel.
Coochie! Coochie! Why would you do that?
This motherfucker. God damn it. Kyle, stop. Kyle! Fucking Kyle! Cheeto. Child.
You're a father, Cheeto.
You're a father, Cheeto!
Stop running. Playing a game of whack fuck here. Whack.
Oh! Shortcake! What are you two doing?
Is that it?
You're mean.
Don't do that. That is rude. That is rude. Stop. You.
Hey, don't eat that. There it is. Fuck!
Coochie! Coochie! Why would you do that?
Kyle, stop. Kyle! Fucking Kyle!
Stop! Raggy! Stop!
Stop it. Stop it.
The door is open. You don't have to do this. It's open.
Frank,
You can't do this.
Ouch. Ah. Every day.
Oh,
Oh my goodness, let me pet you. Come here, bitch. Come here. Hi there.
Uh-oh.
what a funny cat.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about that. Oh.
She tried to hit me. If I wouldn't have moved, she would have hit me. Okay, I showed your mom your video. Hey, I showed your mom your video. Hey.
So this is my cat. His name is... Really?
My cat is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah, fuck you! Hello. No! No!
Nuggie.
Hi. Wanna say hi?
Kitty. Are you happy to see me?
Ow. Ow.
What's your name? Nice to meet you. My name's Warren.
She's scared. Poppy. Meow. It's the second I get a... Oh.
Update. Coco likes me.
Con mi gato, es de mi amigo. You bastard. Chucky.
Damn it, Chucky.
Hey! Hey! Are you happy now?
The rent's due. Do you have your portion this month, or... No?
Dude, why do you have your Odyssey out? Oh!
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me.
Scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.